We are out here oil and chipping the roads for the village of Maroa, basically spreading rock and oil on the road. It'll seal up any of the cracks in the road and put a good wearing course on it. Usually it takes us about a day to do around 10 miles of work, and we move down the road pretty quick on these things, so you're covering a lot of ground. And we usually start real early in the morning, try to beat the summer heat and get off the roads before they get too hot. When it becomes time, you'll start noticing some cracks in the road, and the road's getting awful black where the rock is actually pushing down into the oil, and this will just cover it up and seal up the cracks and put your wearing course back on here. Long-term goals on this is to seal up the road, give a good wearing course, and preserve the roads for several years.